In this video, we are going to install Anaconda Distribution and see why Anaconda Distribution is so prevalent in the data science community. And also, we will type some essential Anaconda commands by using Anaconda package managers like Conda and pip. To start Anaconda installation, type anaconda.com in your web browser and this welcome screen will appear. You can directly start the download by pressing this button, or if you want to dig a little deeper, you can just click any of these three logos. Anaconda installer supports three systems: Windows, Mac and Linux. And as of time I am recording this video, we have Python 3.10 as a stable. Select the option as per your system requirement to install Anaconda distribution. Mine is Windows PC, so I'll select a 64-bit graphical installer to start the download. As you see, it is a huge file. So what does this entire package contains? The file contains one base environment, also known as global environment, a stable version of Python. So as of time I am recording this video, we have Python 3.10 as a stable version, and all the pre-installed open source packages for data science. So if you look at the website in Enterprise tab and why Anaconda, you can see there are 2.4 billion packages, open source as well as paid packages ready to be installed as needed for your application. And also on the left hand side, you can see there are around 90 billions of the Fortune 500 companies which uses Anaconda distribution in their setups. To have a look at the most downloaded packages, you can click resources and libraries and packages. So these are top 500 most downloaded packages sorted for your convenience. So if you want to have a look, you can click any of them, say for example, machine learning. So the most commonly used packages in machine learning and AI are scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Similarly, if you want to look at finance related packages, you can click finance, and here you can see pandas and XLS writer. Also, there are some learning resources which you can explore as well by clicking the learning tab. Anaconda has some direct links to the package website. So go to resources and click open source. So below you can see the most commonly used packages and their website link, which will directly take you to their websites. Also, you have the ability to create your own environments. So why this is important? Because whenever you make an application, you do not need all the packages which are downloaded by default by Anaconda distribution. You require only certain packages in order to make your application work. So when you create your own environment, it is a blank canvas. So you have to install a Python language. So it can be any version. So as you have seen, by default Python version is 3.10. So you can install Python 3.9, 3.8 as well as your project needs. I will show you Python installation later in this video. Also, you have to install the packages which are required by your application. For that, we use package managers like Conda and pip, which comes pre-installed with the Anaconda distribution. Package manager helps us to install, update or remove any packages from your environment. So I will show you later in this video how we can install, update and remove environments. So our Anaconda installation is done. Let us do the setup. Click on the downloaded file, and this is the welcome screen for the Anaconda setup. Click next. This is your license agreement. Read it and press I agree. So for selection of installation type, if this is your personal PC, you can select just me recommended. Press next. This is your default installation location. I prefer to keep it as it is. And this is your space required. If you want to change your location, you can just click browse and you can select your destination as you like. Press next. So these are the advanced installation options. I prefer to keep them as default as of now, and press install. So now the Anaconda installation is complete. Press next, press next, and this is the thank you page for Anaconda installation. Just untick this and press finish. To check whether Anaconda distribution is properly installed, you can press start button, type Anaconda Prompt, press enter, and this Anaconda prompt screen should appear. This is your base environment and this is your default location of your installation.